Welcome to HiBiz News. My name is Suresh Kochar. Costlier vegetables and eggs pushed the retail inflation to a nearly 6-year high of 7.61% in October, keeping it significantly above the comfort zone of the Reserve Bank of India. Retail inflation stood at 7.2% in September 2020, according to the Consumer Price Index data released by the government on Thursday. Retail inflation remained above 7% for the second month in a row. Earlier, it was at a high of 8.33% in May 2014. The Consumer Food Price Index, or the CFPI, according to the data, rose to 11.07% in October from 10.68% in the previous month of September. It was 4.62% in October 2019. Vegetable prices rose 22.51% in October on a year-to-year basis. Inflation in protein-rich meat and fish quickened to 18.70%, while in eggs it rose to 21.81% during the month. In September, the respective inflation prints were at 17.60% and 15.47%. The inflation print in fuel and light categories softened a tad bit at 2.28% during the month from 2.87% in September. Price rise in milk and milk products also reduced to 5.20% from 5.64%. The Reserve Bank of India, which mainly factors in retail inflation while arriving at key policy rates, has mandated by the government to keep the inflation at 4%, that plus or minus 2%. Aditi Nair, economist at ICRA, said while the base effect and some softening of vegetable prices may pull down the CPI inflation in the ongoing month, it is expected to recede below 6% only in December 2020. With the level of the headline and core CPI inflation and the internal dynamics in October 2020 remaining worrying, a rate cut in December 2020, a policy meeting appears to be ruled out. Moreover, the likelihood of a repo cut in February 2021 rather seems to be low at this juncture, she added. Retail inflation in October 2020 rose to a 77-month high of 7.61% as a fallout of COVID-19. Inflation from health and recreation and amusement inflation has increased and are unlikely to ease in the next few months, said Devendra Kumar Pant, Chief Economist, India Ratings and Research. While India Rating expected inflation to decline in the third quarter FY21, it appears where food inflation may decline with the onset of winter and the arrival of fresh onion crop. Core inflation is likely to remain elevated in FY21. The Monetary Policy Committee is in a difficult situation, with inflation reaching the 6% for 3 consecutive quarters, growth being low and India having a recession in 2 consecutive quarters with negative growth. Once Q2 numbers of FY21 numbers are released, India Ratings expects extended pause on quality rates, Mr. Pant said. Investment consulting firm Millwood Kane International's founder and CEO Nish Bhatt said supply disruption caused due to the COVID-19 and unseasonal rains in some pockets of the country led to the rise in inflation. The elevated level of inflation is a cause of worry and will impact the Reserve Bank's ability to act on interest rates, though the central bank expects inflation to be moderate by the end of FY21, he added. Thank you for watching.